Ever wonder how your favorite financial app seamlessly connects to your bank account? It's all thanks to Plaid, and in the next 90 seconds, we'll demystify how it works. First, let's understand what Plaid is. Simply put, Plaid is a technology platform that securely connects your bank accounts to various apps and services. Think of it as a secure bridge. When you use an app like Venmo or Acorns, and it asks to link your bank, Plaid is the technology facilitating that connection behind the scenes. So, how does it work? When an app uses Plaid, you'll typically see a familiar interface. You'll select your bank from a list, then securely enter your online banking credentials directly into Plaid's interface, not the app itself. Security is key. Plaid uses bank-level encryption to protect your information. The app you are using never sees or stores your actual banking login details. Plaid only shares necessary information, like account balances or transaction history, as permitted by you and required by the application. What does this enable? Plaid powers a variety of services, from instant account verification to simplified payments and even enabling access to new lending opportunities. In short, Plaid makes managing your finances across different apps much easier and more secure. By acting as a trusted intermediary, Plaid empowers you to take control of your financial data and connect to the services you love. Want to learn more? Visit the Plaid website or check out the links in the description below. Now you know the basics of how Plaid is securely connecting the world of finance.